Oh Lord.
You're tough like Kirby.
Hold on, pause. She's tough like Turby. Hold on, pause. I'm not gonna do. Wait. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss, and we're back in this winter. I was about to say summer. It's winter time, people, but right now we have Jahvillani, Lizzad Pon limb. Basically a lizard and a tree limb. Let's see what's popping. So, y'all recommend this one. It dropped like a day ago or two, but you don't know. I wait on y'all to recommend it and I give it to y'all. So let's see what's happening for this video. Please like up this video, please comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. And for the past two videos, I spitefully did not put the comments in there because one person was spamming the same thing over and over and over and over, and I'm like, yeah, it doesn't make sense and I'm not gonna do that. So yeah, you understand me? Yeah, that person got what they wanted from it. Don't become yourself. You know yourself. It is wrong, you know. That's not the way you go about doing things. Okay, know yourself. Anyways, let's see what's happening for this video right now. Jahvillani, Lizzad Pon limb. Let's see what's happening. I am cold, that's why. It's not just for the video. I am actually cold. But run tune. Ooh. Oh Lord.
You're tough like Kirby.
Hold on, pause. She's tough like Turby. Hold on, pause. I'm not gonna do. Wait. I was just gonna say I was not gonna do the pause bars thing, but I got to. I have to do it for this video. I have to do it. I have to. But what I wanted to see was old girl look like as a lizard fit on right here. She got the lizard makeup. Look at that. Even her boobs and shit. Okay. That's what I wanted to see, though. That's what I want to see. Let's go now.
You fit on your back and twerk it. Look how your body curvy.
Yeah.
I tell everybody you're the surgery. Oh, she fit talk when she looking worse. Tell her I got tie up her face with.
Is he spying on these beautiful females right now? Is you spying on them through the binoculars right now? Are you not? Mr. Jahvillani, we like this video so far though. Go on, but the girl them tough like turbot. Go on.
A kerchief. Your nurse says she hungry and thirsty.
Wow.
Foot but her clothes them dirty.
Wow.
Show me the wine where you use that girl man baby up.
I want to see the one is take girl man too, but voila, we see females on head top. Let's see if we can see those. We see females on head top. We like those. We love those. You understand me? Then we see females with arch. Which part that there? We see females with pretty arch. Hot up arch. Arch, I say 20,000 million. Them arch they are breed arch, you know. When females arch like this, baby in the making. You understand me? These arches like 1 in a million arch, you know. Not every female can do them arch here, you know. You see me? Alright, so we see what type of things are going so far. We like it's a good look so far. You understand? Where was I at? I think I was right here. No. Sure, the one is I take the girl them man, baby.
Mama shit like pam pam, girl from Spain, town Portmore, welcome the band champion. Make your body jaw jump like in the pants, bring your balance. Good like.
Hold on, pause. This she just step on the tree limb up, sir. It's alright, but that we are pre that one up on the tree limb. Are you all look fun? All I see him girl, but oh no, I edged the pan. Turn on the phone screen. Turn the phone around. She's actually on her head. So let's watch it from this way then, man. You see the trick of them though? See that on her head now. But look at the tree. The tree is right in between the panache. Look. May they find it back. The tree there. Turn the phone upside down and look at it. You see this tree right there, so? You see how far? I trouble now. Turn my phone upside down, yeah. Alright. Alright, now I said my turn. Yeah, alright, yeah. Okay, we shall already there, right? That's all. Alright, go on.
Lizzad Pon limb. Jump like in the pants, spring your balance good like a Lizzad Pon limb.
This one I do want to say. Is it that she did the makeup to the thing, or she look good though? She look good. Sorry, I'm not gonna beat her up. I'm not gonna go down bag of trouble. She look alright. You understand me? She look good. She alright. She alright. She pass. She make the list. Go on.
Real bad girl, she no fancy. Make her dress right up, let me see your panty.
Make your dress right up. Let me see your panty. You're dirty. You know? Ooh. 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 But the lyrics, make your dress right up. Basically saying, let your dress right up so we can see your panty. See it? You're dirty. Go on.
Jump like in the pants, bring your balance good like a Lizzad Pon limb.
Yeah.
Sit down and ride panty. Yeah, girl that.
Good one. Sit down and ride panty. Girl. Chano star. You know, me like look on females already. Go on.
Booty's gigantic. Baby, you bad like infantry. Like say you train for the gymnastics.
Baby, you bad like. But I want to see your eyes. Jaden, big up yourself. I want to see your eyes though. Her eyes. Where's the eyes at? Oh my gosh, I want to see your eyes. They did great. They did great with the makeup right here. The makeup artist, he did great with this one. I ain't gonna cap. You did super great with this one. Big up yourself, makeup artist, whoever was the makeup artist for this video. Aren't you?
You bad like infantry. Like say you train for the gymnastics. Pum fat in your pink panty.
Yeah.
Man want married her instantly.
Yeah, you do say. You just said pum fat in your pink panty. Make the man married it instantly. So you get a female. You see the magic that fat pum has. You see why Tyrekevlogs lost pum so much. All right, let's go.
You the whole team battery. You no run road like cheese taxi. Show me the wine where you use take girl man, baby.
What the wine that she was take girl man? Oh Lord, no sir. You did a little bit too good with this makeup. Like I was about to run just now. Like I was gonna bolt out the room just now. You did a little bit too good. With this, yo. No. Let go though.
Bamba my shit like pam pam. North, south, east, west London, girl, them a band champion. Show me the wine where you use take girl man.
I wonder. He's taking notes. Jahvillani is taking notes of the females wine that they're using to take the girl them man. Perfect though, man. Like, you know, she have a nice little shape. Them, she has a little, you know, it's going on. It's going on great. Let's leave it right there. Oh, intermission time. I want you guys to go subscribe to my second channel called More Tyrekevlogs. You understand me? I'm gonna be doing I'm gonna do vlogmas over there. I'm posting every single day for December. Everything gonna be posting vlogs, pranks, and public interviews and all the good works. You understand me? So just go and subscribe to my second channel, More Tyrekevlogs. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Go on.
You be a bamba my shit like pam pam. Girl from Portmore, Spain town, welcome them a band champion. Make your body jaw jump like in the past.
She is going off. Or she was going off. But I want to say big up Portmore. I say big up Waltham. You see me I say? Yeah, man, big up all of them places. So I'm saying one girl from Portmore, girl from Waltham. You don't know. Big up all of the female in like Jamaica. Go on, though.
Your balance good like a Lizzad Pon limb. Jump like in the pants, bring your balance good like a Lizzad Pon limb.
Ooh. Why every time I pause this video, I'm gonna pause it on this lizard like I want to run out the room? No, I don't want to see that. No, I want to see these females, like these one right here. Yeah, and we're the one that's. Oh, wait, Lizzad. What was he doing right there? What? These let me don't want to ever suck on nipples again. I ain't gonna lie to you. This I don't want to ever suck on nipples again. Honestly, I won't even lie to you.
See your panty, make you jump like you the pan, spring your balance good like a Lizzad Pon. You're not tough like turbid.
Did you just see that one in inside the Jeep? Did you guys just see that one inside the Jeep? Did you just see her? Just want to make sure you saw her. Why every time I pause I gotta see this lizard though? I know.
Fit on the back way and twerk it. Shake it. Look how your body curvy. A girl
Hey,
tell
whoa.
everybody you're the surgery.
No, that fat. No, that fat. That PHAT, not FAT. No. That is fat. PHAT. Go. That too. Go on.
She fit talk when she looking worse. Till I got tie up her face with a kerchief. Your nurse says she hungry and thirsty. Foot dirty her clothes them.
Yes, I didn't want to teeth the girl them man because you just teeth me a while ago with them wine there. I know. I just realized something. These females are outside in the mud. Look at her. Look on her foot bottom, them people. Look at her foot bottom. Look at her foot, like under the part of her foot. Look, dirty, mud up, dirty. These females are actually outside in the mud. Go on, do it.
Dirty. Make your body jaw jump like you the pan, spring your balance good like a Lizzad Pon.
Song gets
Make you jump like you the
Song done. It's been about Tyrekevlogs, aka the Russian Boss. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. The pause boss was not finna be in effect, but when you see the females, I don't know something different, just ignite the pause boss and have to pause. You understand me? You know that already. But we're on the road to 40,000 subscribers. We want to close out this year, 31st of December. I'm supposed to be sitting at 40,000 subscribers. So please do subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel. It's been about Tyrekevlogs, aka the Russian Boss. Second channel, more Tyrekevlogs. First vlog posting tomorrow, the 1st of December. Go over there right now. Get there.